What's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's pretty early. I've got to go pick up a Lamborghini Gallardo, but first it's time for my neighbor's wake up call. That's pathetic. Alright, got both the cars here now. Phil's gonna take my R8 and I'm gonna take the Gallardo. First I need to get the bumper off, which is always bigger pain than it needs to be. Back in the Gallardo, which is straight piped by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that. Want to reach for the gear lever, there's none. Okay, let's go. We're gonna go out that exit. I really don't want to be loud for everyone just trying to enjoy their Father's Day Sunday, but I need more power to get up this hill, so. This car. I mean, I feel worse in my car because my car sounds like a Mustang, but this one I just like, it's so loud. Phil accidentally sent off my alarm.
Oh my god, sorry. I was pressing probably your radar.
Yeah, so
sorry.
Yep, it's a good. I feel bad. Like, just ignore it. Didn't know it was a police siren, that's horrible. We'll be there shortly. Man, we are so high up right now. Look at that view. We're almost there. Yep, I see an NSX. That was like the most intense backup I've ever had.
Hello, little princess. Going in here.
Starting in the back, we have the Gallardo I brought, the two Murciélagos, the Venador S, the LP560, the Huracan Performante Spider, the Lamborghini Superleggera, the Aventador Roadster. We have the Porsche Exclusive Series Cabriolet. We have a Turbo S. We have a Ferrari 360. The old GT2 RS. Down there we have Clayton's Cayman, Ish's Panamera, Ferrari California, my R8, a Roof NSX, Lotus Evora R8. And then we have two-door Mercedes, not sure what kind. It's a cool one, more than I could afford. It's about time everyone's leaving. Had to move the Gallardo so the owner could get out of his garage. Something else just pulled up. Ooh, another Performante. Look how steep that driveway is. That's like angled. Everyone's just pulling out now. We've got just the Lamborghinis left, and the NSX. It's a pretty bad neighborhood, so you want to make sure you lock it.
Is that yours, alright?
Yeah, that one's mine.
Nice.
Whew, that woke up the neighbors. That amazing house. Joining up the group up here. So I'm just gonna cruise with them down to the gas station. I'm not gonna go on the drive today, especially since I'm not in my car. So I'm just gonna cruise with them down the street and watch them take off. Some golfers were cheering us on, and I think I just made one of them ruin their putt. Gotta make sure you're in a safe neighborhood. Taking over the gas station. There's a lot going on right now. Oh, the rest are at a red light. I think that's all of them. Oh, It's a Focus. I've never seen my car driving behind without the bumper, and it looks pretty cool. It does have the impact bumper on, but still I think looks pretty nice. The car's back in its spot. Time to lock it, put the key away, and go home, and probably edit this video. Pretty eventful day. I didn't go on the drive. I didn't really feel like driving, especially somebody else's car. Also, it's Father's Day, so I wanted to go spend time with the family. But that being said, I'm gonna go home and edit this video now, so I will see you guys next time. Bye.